Hey everyone, welcome to day 3 of the challenge for 3K to 18K. So I wanted to start off with today just showing off the P&L ledger. This is the app I use on my phone to track all my trades. And like I said, I've started this back in January, but I'm right where I want to be for the 3K challenge. So just starting off with 3K and hopefully ending in a year at 18K. So I did take 2 trades today, got $154. So ideally around the sweet spot that I want to be at. And then on the next screen, I will show all the trades I took. So I took some SPY puts and then a small SPY call, and then I got out within roughly like a 30-minute window, 10 minutes or so. Ideally, I want to play like within a short time, within an hour. I would try to get out and not try to be swayed. It's also the FOMC meeting today that introduces a lot of volatility, and I wanted to get out before the meeting went through. So we jump into the next screen, and this is the chart I use. So ideally, I mark down the 30-minute window between the opening and the next 30 minutes. So that becomes my window for my high and lows. So I mark it out for the black lines. And my entry, as you notice on the last one, it's going to be at 906. So 906 was around this candle, I want to say, right here. My entry was because I noticed that it kept topping out over here at the 669 level. And then it broke under the VWAP, so I took a put, and then I noticed it came back again. Ideally, you buy again right here because it's ideally hitting towards the high of the day, but it bounced off of that, or it didn't even make it to it. So a lot of downward pressure. So it kept going down, and I was out within, let me check the timestamp, it was within 926. So 926 was around this candle right here. So it was a really good trade. Ideally, if I had kept it all the way down over here, like after the FOMC meeting, I would have made a lot of money. But like I said, I tried to trade within the 1 hour window, and I was out. So I sold right here around this time. Made $100, and that was good enough for me. Next trade I take was let me see, a SPY call at 959. Reason why was let me see, where is it? 959. I saw this cross on the EMAs. So next candle is right here, around here. Took the candle, saw that it was going up to the VWAP, testing VWAP again. Noticed that it didn't break the VWAP, or it did, but barely did. Squeezed behind it. And then these kept on rejecting, so I sold immediately around here. I sold within, I think, 10 minutes. So 10:12. 10:12 was this candle. So broke above again, and then I sold, and then I just kept watching the market for the rest of the day. Just trying to see if any other positions I wanted to take, but I did not want to take anything around the 1 p.m. candle because that's when the FOMC meeting was going on. Jerome Powell was talking, rates stayed unchanged, and they kept watching the market. But yeah, pretty good day, pretty standard. Try to grab $150 per day, or ideally 50 to 200. But yeah, it's a pretty good day for me. So yep, thanks for watching, guys.